In this data analytics Excel series, we are going to learn about how to create an error message and how to create our own alerts using Excel data validation. Well, this feature helps us to control what a user can enter into the cell, and also when someone enters data that does not meet the validation rule, then Excel shows an error alert. For creating an alert, we have to choose data choose data validation. So for in this example, we have to fix a salary. We can just give a threshold of start a salary between 25 to 50,000. So if someone enters the wrong information, like if the value goes below 25,000 and if a value goes above 50,000, the error message will be shown. So for this, we have to go to settings and click on the whole number, and it asks what is the minimum and the maximum value. So I'll be giving 25,000, the maximum is 50,000. Then I can create an input message where when someone hovers, so we can get an input message. So title, I'm just giving as salary. Here enter the value between 25,000 and 50,000. So the next one is error alert. So we can give error alert as wrong entry. So the error message, we can give the message as give within budget. So now it can be these messages have, we can create this messages, and I'll just give okay. So now you could see in this cell there is a message. The title is salary and the messages enter the value between 25,000 and 50,000. This can be we can drag to other cells as well. So other cells also has that the data validation. So here now if I try to enter the value 25,000, it will allow because we have given the value as 25,000 and 50,000. The next row, if I just type 51,000, because this is not within the budget, it is crossed the budget. So if I just click enter, so it has given an error message as wrong entry, give within budget. Even if we retry also, it will not allow us to go to the other cell. So we have to give the value that is within our value. So I just give cancel, and I can give 35,000, so it will allow. If we just give 60,000, then it will not allow. So I can just give retry, then I can edit over here as 29,000. So this is all about how to create an error alert in this data validation.